Umpire calls play.
No deep mid-wicket. That's brave.
Oh, juicy full toss. A wild delivery from Cunningham and gets dispatched for 4. First boundary for Pakistan. Goes again. This time cleaner. This time better. 1 bounce 4.
And takes the bait. And he's been removed. Captain went on a punt and it has paid off.
And in a very skipper fashion, as he's done throughout, picks up a boundary straight away.
Goes into the gap. And it's a 4.
Brilliant. Exceptional timing. Skipping down the track. Back-to-back boundaries for Syme. Once again dispatched. Thumped away for 4. Make that 3 in a row from Syme.
All gone. Didn't pick that slow delivery. Worked for the left armour. Picked up a big wicket.
Crunched. What a shot. And the Lahore crowd enjoy that because it is Babar Azam.
Big shot. Splendid 6. Oh, that's gone through the 2 fielders in the ring for 4. Excellent piece of timing. Oh, yes. It has made it to the fence boundary. In the slot, that's done the distance. Gloved it. And that'll find the fence as well. Oh, glorious cover drive. What a shot that is. Wow. 50 for Syme with an electrifying cover drive. 650 of just 30 balls. Gets it past the 2 men. In the ring on the offside. That's gone and hit the fence very quickly.
And he's tried his luck this time. Deep mid-wicket. Oh, brilliant. That is fabulous. Renshaw looks up to Green and thinks, you should have got that, but that is a brilliant, brilliant catch. Now 2 straight and just whipped away. He's very good in that area, square leg. With those kinds of shots, that's into the crowd. Flat 6. That is fabulous. That is a glorious hit. That has gone a long, long way. Massive 6. Backs away, tries his hand again. Not this time. Caught by Matthew Short. Short and sweet from Nafe. He's walking back.
In the slot, that's gone all the way for 4. Is it a 4? It's a 6, I think. Nicely timed, beautifully timed. Shadab is playing a cameo.
That's hit in the air into the gap. And looks like it has gone all the way.
Goes big again. It's another 6. Magnificent hitting. That's orbited. And it's out of here. Oh, how good is that? How cool is that? That's an incredible hit. Edge, and well, the theatre comes to an end. It had to end just when he was on the cusp of something sensational. Had he hit that one over the fence, would have been the second fastest 50 ever for Pakistan in T20Is, but crowds will happily take this. 46 of 19 from Shadab. And this will be taken, held quite for the 50 moment. Oh, that's gone up in the air and he survives it. Babar Azam gets the 50 to a loud. Oh, that's wide and put away. Tremendous strike from.
And according to the umpire, it was a no ball. It was too high.
Free hit is gloved into the boundary rope. It's not working for Australia. This is the first time Pakistan have posted a score of 200 or plus against Australia. Last ball is hit hard. Babar Azam has ran the first one well. No, he slips. And so Pakistan end on a high.
Goes over the top. There is a fielder set pretty square. And it just gets a single. Bowling! Ball swings back in, hits the timber. Shaheen Shah Afridi, first over, strikes yet again. This time it is floated up. Babar Azam full tail, gets it. He has been phenomenal. Sixth catch of the series. Nawaz gets his man. Bowling! The ramp shot doesn't work. And Shaheen Shah Afridi has another. Oh, that's powered through. Off the back foot, just for once Abrar dropping slightly short, so gave Stoinis time. Moves back again and this time finds the gap on the offside. Drifts down leg side, so that'll just race away to the fence.
Horizontal bat down the ground, pierces the field. Once again, placement immaculate. Cameron Green picks up another boundary. Chopped on, dragged on. End of Stoinis. Nawaz has two.
Bowling. That's a classic left armour dismissal. Wide of the crease, created a bit of angle, had the batsman looking to play the ball on the onside, bit of turn, and off stump knocked back. Beautiful.
Oh, that smashed through the offside. Hit the turf and went off quickly. And I mean, outstanding fielding. Sahibzada Farhan not playing in this game. Picks up a very, very good catch, running in, sliding. 4 for Nawaz. Oh, and I think finally has it worked for Pakistan. Is given him. That's the 5 for Mohammad Nawaz. What a great bowling spell. Nafi in the end making it happen for him. It really did spin a yard. Oh, that's close. I think they'll go for a review. I think it's been given. Yeah, it's a straighter one. I think he's got reasons to feel elated. Abrar. Or they're going for a DRS.
Impact in line and wickets hitting. Nasir, I recommend you to stay with your decision.
Around the wicket, gone. The edge, and it is Fakhar Zaman at point.
Australia 96 for 9, and that does mean Pakistan register a 3-0 series victory against Australia.
Zampa fielding all three departments.
Yeah, proceedings drawn to a close with a commanding victory. 3-0 series sweep Only the third time in the history of T20